How to block or unblock someone on Threads. Hello everyone, this is Lisa from Create, Login and Delete. Now let's get started. Open your Threads app. Here we go. You will land to the home page. At the bottom you will find different options. Head towards the search icon, tap on it. Now at the very top you can see the search box. Over there type in the name of the person whom you want to block. After a person's profile appears, just open it. After you open the profile of that person, at the top right corner you can find 3 dots, tap on it. Now different options will pop up. You have to tap on this option of block, tap on it. This will also block any other accounts that they may have or create in future. They won't be able to message you or find your profile or content on Instagram. They won't be notified that you blocked them. You can unblock them at any time in settings. Tap on block. With that, you have just blocked this person. You can unblock this person anytime by tapping on this option of unblock. Tap on unblock. With that, you are good to go. This is how you can easily block and unblock someone on Threads. This was all for this video. If you guys find this video helpful, make sure to like, share and subscribe to our channel. Thank you.